In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user in grafanacloud. First, make sure you're signed in to your grafanacloud stack with an account that has permission to manage users. From your stack's interface, head to the administration section, then choose Users and Access, and open the Users page. This is where you'll see everyone who currently has access. At the top of this page, there's a link labeled Manage Users on grafana.com. Click that. You're jumping from your stack's local view to the central grafanacloud account portal, which is where invitations are actually sent and managed. Once you're on grafana.com, look for the option that says Invite New Member and select it. This opens the invitation form. It's a simple workflow, and keeping it in the cloud portal ensures all user management is consistent across your organization's stacks. Now fill in the user's email address carefully. It needs to be the address where they can receive onboarding emails. Next, choose the right role for this person. Viewer is the most restrictive role, perfect for someone who only needs to look at dashboards and panels without making changes. Editor is a good fit for teammates who will build or modify dashboards and alerts but don't need to manage settings or users. Admin provides full administrative access, including user management and configuration, so reserve it for trusted maintainers who oversee the environment. If you're unsure, start with the least privilege necessary. You can always adjust the role later as responsibilities change. With the email and role set, click Send Invite. Grafana will send an email to the address you entered, guiding the recipient to join your grafanacloud stack. Let the person know to check their inbox and, if needed, their spam or promotions folder. Once they accept the invitation, they'll appear in your users list with the role you selected. If they haven't joined yet, you'll typically see them marked as pending until they complete the process. That's the full flow. Open your stack's users page, jump to Manage Users on grafana.com, invite a new member, choose the right role, and send the invite. Keeping roles aligned with responsibilities helps maintain a secure and tidy environment, and sending invitations through the central portal makes user access predictable and easy to audit. And that's how you add a user in grafanacloud. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.